and choke it out. It's growing too strong for me. It made me bad to hurt you like that and feel so good about it. The sin in your blood, the kind that I like, and I shouldn't be around it. Now it's back again. You got me in the end to be the death of me, a little piece of me, a little piece of me. Hurt you like that, I feel so good about it. The sin in your blood, the kind that I like, and I shouldn't be around it. Now it's back again. You got me in the end to be the death of me, a little piece of me. Oh, 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 a little piece of me. Lay me down, push my back to the wall. And I don't understand, don't know what took me so long. Oh no.
All my dreams, everything was gone. Then I turned my life around and I went to the top. Found the strength I got within, and this is how it feels. Everything is